You know that feeling when you're ready to cook up something delicious and then your griddle is a greasy mess? Yeah, not fun. But cleaning your griddle is easier than you think, and if you do it right, you'll keep that surface slick, non-stick, and ready for your next masterpiece. Here's my quick, foolproof way to clean a griddle without wrecking the surface. First, let the griddle cool down just a bit. You want it warm, not hot, so you don't burn yourself, but the food bits scrape off easily. Grab a metal scraper or a spatula and work from the back moving forward, pushing all that leftover grease and gunk into the grease trap. Don't skip this step, it makes everything else way easier. Now, pour a little hot water right onto the surface. No soap if you've got a seasoned griddle, trust me. It'll ruin all that flavor you've built up. Take paper towels or a soft cloth and wipe away the loosened mess. Got some stubborn, stuck-on spots? No problem. Grab a griddle stone or a scouring pad, add a bit more water, and give those spots a gentle scrub. Remember, no soap on seasoned griddles. When you're done, dry the surface off completely. Then, hit it with a thin layer of cooking oil. This last step is key, it keeps your griddle protected and rust-free. My best tip? Clean your griddle after every use. You'll cook better and your food will taste amazing. And if you ever hit a sticky situation you just can't tackle, call the pros at Bear Brothers Cleaning 256-633-6332 or visit bearbroscleaning.com because your grill station deserves to be berry clean.